Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung device to Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G. You need to start by locating and opening Play Store app. Then tap on the search bars, type in Send Anywhere and get this free app from this developer. When it's ready, hit Open. Now, in order to use it, select one of those options in Notifications pop-up and then tap on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Now do exactly the same on this Samsung smartphone. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Over here you can choose Not Now in the pop-up and close it by selecting OK. Then choose Send at the bottom left corner of your Samsung smartphone and receive over here next to Send and History on Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G. Following that, you can tap on files that you wish to send and then send them by choosing Send next to Selected. But you can also tap on all of those dots from all of those categories and tap on Send then. It will take some time though to do it now, so I will go with only one photo just for example. Maybe this one. Choose Send and tap on Got it. Over here you need to choose one of those options, in my case no thanks, and select Close this window. Finally, as you can see, we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by tapping on this scanning icon next to Input key, choosing while using the app or only this time and pointing this device's camera at the code. But we can also tap on this back button and input this key over here instead. When you're ready, choose Receive button and after a while, as you can see, my file was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!